Artificial intelligence, AI, has had a significant impact on human life across various domains. Here are some ways in which AI has influenced and continues to shape human life. Number 1. Automation. AI technologies have automated numerous tasks, ranging from simple to complex, across industries. This automation has increased efficiency, reduced human error, and allowed individuals to focus on more creative and high-level tasks. Number 2. Personalized experiences. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to provide personalized experiences in various aspects of life. Number 3. Healthcare advancements. AI has contributed to significant advancements in healthcare. It helps in diagnosing diseases, identifying patterns in medical images, like X-rays and MRIs, predicting patient outcomes, and developing personalized treatment plans. AI also enables remote patient monitoring and assists in drug discovery. Number 4. Education and learning. AI has the potential to personalize education by adapting to individual students' needs and learning styles. Intelligent tutoring systems can provide customized instruction. Number 5. Enhanced transportation. AI is transforming the transportation sector with self-driving cars and drones. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to increase road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and improve fuel efficiency.